Another very common question is, will neurofeedback help me? Well, here's the greatest news, I think. Neurofeedback cannot hurt you. Neurofeedback is not a medication. It is not anything that is manipulative. Nothing is being put into your body. What we're doing is we're rewarding your brain to go back to its natural balance, back to homeostasis. The brain knows how to function at its optimum level of performance. But what happens is when we become ill, or if there's too much stress and anxiety in our environment, it actually changes the function and the neurochemistry of our brain. So after a while of being in that stress or being in an illness, in a physical illness, a virus like we're dealing with in the pandemic is a very common example. After being exposed to a virus, your brain can actually change its function. So the way that neurofeedback can help is it guides the brain back to its most optimum performance. So it can't hurt you, because what we're doing is we're using the brain's natural mechanisms to direct it back to having the response, the kind of brain function that it originally had, and when it performed at its optimum rate. Now, there's no guarantees. There's no guarantees to anything. Medication is not even guaranteed. Sometimes medication can have the reverse effect. It can actually make you more ill. With neurofeedback, if it doesn't help you, you'll know actually within a couple of weeks. After that time, you don't have to continue the sessions. You don't have to continue neurofeedback. You can get right off of it, and there are no side effects. With neurofeedback, even if it doesn't help you with the symptoms, we're going to find, or you will find, that we will be able to grow new neurons that will by default raise your IQ. So we're going to make you smarter or help you recall information, which is IQ actually. So by default, if we can't totally make your symptoms go away, we can actually help you get smarter. We can actually help your brain have new neurons that it can use during times of stress or during times of memory questions when you're trying to recall something. So, will neurofeedback help you? It can't hurt you. And in summary, it can actually make you smarter. Hopefully, we can help alleviate symptoms that you're experiencing that are causing stress in your life or that don't allow you to live your optimum life. But neurofeedback can't hurt. Thank you so much for your questions.